Mayana was saying some watch and walk up Adom TV, Badwam Jumedi, so the Edu Sono, your Badwam Cassie, yet Apostle Dr. Nita Kutego singing Cranshan somewhere Jordan so, or dear my Yenidium and some near to Jomu, Ebi, Circle, new station drivers, no. If you know you could lorry fair now, yachts for 15% and a one a day year Juma, water for no say one so and Fanya Juma. Yabekomna University of Education, Winneba, and a nay one more young Kaidumono. Ocheche ni mu nipa bi agene nkwanfiri ne nsamu o kan no no nsem bi na no pay mede browse Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTuber search Adom TV 2 kwadomonline.com sansemwe ene nsem bebre so ewo ho medindi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se de nsem ni nchemu ankasa etie Adrobafo ya one more chia shane war Circle new station. Lorry fare na yate so 15% and one more day a year jumanti was re one yanon kayes so woman so and fanya juma.
Credit Cascadia yate because fu and so aba form. But Mr. Mon can't check fear rough one. Or mention to a more dance. Driver ni be juma the whole year. Now also this kind as I come fear.
Yegma was Circle to dance my gigi. Near just 7 Cedi. But this year, no, young paying for CNG Cedi. They started in the young artists by minimum at that station. Send your moment so the young had the young artists. Kawana, ye booking fee na there, ye channel. And so, no, so almost no more share.
I started from Tuesday, no, I say, and next Saturday, you better to first and so. And now, no, pay a bus station on my way say. Yanjete so yanje 6 cedis yade oseyoyo ya best striker owners na say omonso omunyanti asiema drivers no na omonso nte so mo
passengers awodo bi mu nso a wo ne Adom News nsentro for twetwe nkomo no wo de nsem sei atudwa
bi mu jimi 55 they made it faba 55 but this one or say yati 20 or beji 5 cedis good omuti so there is go omu pempo omuti so mbra 4 cedis
first in 7 cedis but no pay me by G6 cedis agege to Circle
still the same. Yeah, nothing has changed. I'm not sure they've done anything about it. There's no reduction.
I maintain Hoshe, send on more than a son on Babaji. But I mean, I come on to 1 cedi in free so.
Yanto akasiano so University of Education Winneba penufo le nei one more ekayo one more checheni Professor Koku Amedeke ye nipa bi agene nkwa efri ne nsemo no effects checheni ye kumno asie no ewo no anifie kro bi anabro no bi a ewo futumansin mu wo mfimfin mantamu
na wotwe awie ye ene betu odwa se nipa bonifuo bi ekum lecturer wo ye nadwuma ewo University of Education Winneba na police fo na monum nimdie so a wonum eko lecturer yi fie ya wokoche owura bi a wosusu se wono en wokum lecturer yi na nkrata University of Education Winneba ede ababetu dwemu no na wonum abo police fo abaso se ebra ibetu dwa se lecturer yi ayera no wonum ekeka won ho ya ntentem so no wo hyen hwehwemu ase a okohunu se wasi owura na mu ewo no ankasa ne fie na wonum akire mu nkrata ne mu se sede wonam onundie so ede achi obi a wosusu se wono ene wokum lecturer yi wonum eni age ho pa wonum enam nkrata no so ede atomanfo nyina enemu se wantaya police fo achi na se wonum ewo bibia ebeboa wonum hwehwemu a woya wonfa nkoma wonum se de beya wonum a woka ho bie ya wokum lecturer no obetumi akire wonum nyina na wanya atentrene wakire mu nkrata no mu se asemu a esie na ma won ho adwiri wonum pa na wonam nkrata no so ede ya konsem ama lecturer yi abusua na wonam sa akwanya so ede ato achechefo adesuafo ene kabiomufo a wo skum honum nyina enemu se wonum agire banbu mu ewo skum honum pa na wonum bekoso aye nhyehyeye na wone banbu adwumayefo ede nsawoso se de beya obetumi abo achechefo ne adesuafo nyina eho ban ewo skum honum na abo adekere ene adesua ho nsem wachire mu se lecturer ya wahwere ne nkwa no woye obi a odi akotene ewo skum hono pa ya ne senti asem wa asie no wonum edi hu yawo nanso ne nyina mu no wonum sere rade so wonkyekere abusua ene akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ na afɛ adesuafoɔ nyina awre ɛwɔ saa bere yi a wɔnom edi yawo yi emu wɔnom ahyɛbɔ sɛ ɔbɛkɔ so ane apolisifoɔ ayɛ adwuma sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a nsɛm biara a ɛfa lecturer yi wo ho yɛ bɛboa apolisifoɔ nhwehwɛ mu no wɔn nsa bɛka na atumi aboa ama owura yi wanya atentenene.
Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama nene o kasafa Ghana Cedi no aya kono wode toto dollar no eho ani nyina gina kendini ehhye papa won mo ye amemo papa a won mo ya no ye we no ene ode ma Ghana Mampani abede akire Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ekire se abanye tisuo ye enya ehhye bia a ebetumi aboama won sikasem ntoto ye no akona ni mo nanumu no era Mampani ede nsemi to dwabra Nei mpanifo ahodo bi eba ne na so ensra ene ne ho ebedi nkomoy.
So what it meant was that Ghanaians had bought into the message that they believed that I would be able to reset things, and we use the word reset as one of our major campaign points, be able to reset things in order to build the confidence of our people in our democracy again. And so that responsibility is not lost on me. And so since 7th January, every step I've taken is meant to restore the faith of our people in our democracy and let them know that we can lead this country in a way different from what has been done in the past. And so to try to do this, one, the first and foremost was the cost of living and the general hardship that Ghanaians were going through. And so that has been one of the main focuses of the administration in the last 5 months we've been in office, focusing on stabilizing the economy, focusing on reducing hardship, cutting down expenditure, bringing more accountability into government, enacting a strong fight against corruption, introducing codes of conduct to guide leaders in political office. So these are all things that we have, focused on and fast-tracked in the last 5 months. And happily, we have seen a response to the work that we've done, especially when it comes to the economy and hardship and all that. And somebody says, point to one policy that you have implemented to make the Cedi appreciate. And I said, one policy. It's not about one policy. The answer is effective leadership. With effective leadership, we can turn this economy around and create a better life for our people. And that is what I'm committed to make sure that by the time we finish these 4 years, we'll set a standard in government that whichever party or whichever people come into governance cannot reverse the gains that we have made in restoring our people's confidence in our democracy. And so we'll continue to listen to the nuggets of wisdom that you give us, because it makes us better, it makes us stronger.
Bentime ho asibi beboba wa chimanka se ye no atiwa east mesimu opoye mantemu efa illegal miners a won mabo rankofo mfo mu se won mu fudie ene won dobaye a ho mpatade bia no emaye emu nsam enie.
Why any baba ko be plan be ko chance me be ko me start ni minister to anka se the minister to bia asamata for minister to bia yes yakọ na insoro highway no na self-service satitibia abeka church dem tem ewu osu ase a so ugididi because self-service me atitibia we got to say dem tem ewu osu ase a so ugididi because me am jawe the whole anka se jedem me am ya tampa committee chairman
akuyafuo bi a wonom ewo ankase ya wachinchim wonsaje wonsase afiri wonsem woni amane boni ehwehwe nkomo no ade adesrede ato mpanyinfo anim se wonhwe ntu ho anamo ema wonom esense sansasi eno aso no yekuya wotumi ahwe won ho ene wonom abusua
te wo ha nina watu site wo ha nina enso kwan da ho no se enso no asi enso yira abefa na kwala nso de na ma efia nso na wo hoyi ba bia light post a matu amana enti light 4 to bounce si a na Cedi4 baba be ya omunye dan no matumi be ya light na ma yen aye wa ha no enyankane adam
yenya kwan enkwafu betutu yen saase ni nyina wa ha mapiti ne deda ha yedi enim se adwuma na oye no enke ye penka bomti ka o mekata so mayen ya hwe ni mu a o mekata so ya ha o kese pa eda yenim kwara nso wa ha efia na wa ha enti bibia betimi asinti ye penka
Chapiti or yet cheap pen. Omo expect so ma be kata so ma be catch na so ma kata so. Be pu we yin e ko be 7 months no bi ama ho ye. Mpeni so omo yes trauma omo be kata am na so.
Ernest Owusu intim eyetiwa ismesini krache wo yi sansem a manfo yede atudwa no ano no na wɔkyerɛ nhyehyɛyi a wɔde gu akwan mu sɛ de bɛya wɔn mu nam akwan bɔne so etu fom agudie ɛwɔ hɔ no mo no mobetumi atu wɔn mu ase.
So say the galam say your miners be we even including small scale miners general secretary god they am omo nyina na omo ye omo dwumadie ekɔ ase omo tima fe omo busa omo upe wo bia even in a position of fighting mining me enye mining e won kwan papa so ba mining won kwan bɔne so enura many all the miners say stakeholders meeting and we have developed a solid plan ye ba stop all the irresponsible mining activities e kɔ so adwuma.
Multimedia amaniboni ya waton krafri obuaso ne mpotamo Isaac Nomanyo ena ene abasobodi a Heroes Festival 4 year obuase no omo amanibie omo hunu se Isaac Nomanyo adwuma ye soni ewom so dem die e wona famu die ne nso enkane hye baabi a obi a tumi kwa eye yie no ono so tumi wuramu ema ene wo ma na wa hoyehia mu wonsama hudu omro to monten so eno ho abasobɔ no wahwa odi amane
stories are maye o boase ene ne patem anase fa asante mantem ha no ai de results bebre aba no se na nipa e wachire ehwe ehu ebi eye school dan ebi eye nsuo ebi eye ayaresabia ene bebre mintimi enkan ni nyina eno ene nam so a ene the Heroes Festival empenifo abome abaso a kire se adwuma medie no se na omo ehwe eboa amanipa binum a sebi omo akọ hiahia mu eye school fo nkwada enkura omo nya nsuo nom ene nipa bi omo ayare eda dem a omo nya ayaresa ni nyina nyame adom eno stories bia yaye e dia ba bontrenti ni sankofo ni nyina enya so mfaso no.
Godfrey the Champion project director woda the Heroes Festival 2.0 ano ochire mu se wonom ehweda hyehyɛ sa abasobodie dwumadie yi a wode bo wonom a abo adwumaden abo ama adanse ene Ghana manyina no impumtuo abemu na de nti a wonom ebo Isaac Nomanyo abaso no wode to yamani boni eni
yehwe yenia Isaac Nomanyo ejumedi a obo ma adanseman no ebo adweneti ase so yehwe ne profile ne biography o sunu ho si o make sure say bibia e beto form adanseman obetwe aban adwenesi so no de media no etime influence ahwe say nema enkoye ndokoye oman no eno tine ne dey Heroes Festival ebo Mr. Kofi Nomanyo abaso
Kwabno Wusun Ketia obuasi is Mensino Education Director ochire mu a ekwan ya Isaac Nomanyo efa so ye na adwuman amanaje atumu se nokre sesebe edemdie enkyere se ntumi enya adwuma bia
Nomanyo amama hu se disability enye inability adwuma yim ekwan ofa so ye adwuma se ye ba program no ama na bre se ebre sei obeduru 30 minutes before the time eba aboase e confuse numni na menena hia baabi bebiri ene na adwuma mu dwumadie bia ekoso oboase e ya debone bie Nomanyo se de tie bia obekwa akoyie pie
Nomanyo nkwaso mayina no so na yemfa kase no ensi twen ye ni yemfa de obonkrata no ene online de no ntoaso yakwa basisia